Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a regular, you know the deal. Thank you for coming back. So I am barefaced, looking a little bit crusty, so you probably know what this means. So basically it's been a year since my last fall makeup, which was also my first makeup tutorial. So I'm going to do like a nice little fall look for you today. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to be doing my eyes and then the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be coming back to show you the end result. So if you want to see what I look like at the end, stay tuned. I always look like a mad lady whenever I do this on camera, and so I need to try and make it look a lot neater so that I don't look mad.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. 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 Aside from my soul.
So guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section if you like my fall/autumn makeup look, and also if you'd like to see how I created this head wrap without having any hair. Let me know and I will create that for you. Anyway, I will see you in the next video.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight.